Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be looking at a computer, and more specifically we're going to be upgrading and then downgrading and then re-upgrading it again. The computer that we are going to be looking at is called a Gateway DX-4200 UB001A. This computer was produced in 2008 by Gateway, directly after they were bought out by Acer. This Gateway machine retailed for the base model with 3 gigs of RAM at $530. Now, the model that we have here is not the base model. It is actually the expanded model. The expanded model had a few more features, such as an updated graphics card, an aftermarket graphics card. It also had 6 gigs of RAM in it as well, and came with a 680 gig hard drive. Now, this computer was given to me because the computer would not boot up. Turns out it was the battery on the motherboard. I have since removed that battery, and I've been using this computer as a backup station just to check hard drives and things like that. Now I would like to take this computer, put a brand new graphics card in it, upgrade the hard drive to a 1 terabyte drive that's a little bit quicker, and I would also like to downgrade the machine to Windows XP while at the same time upgrading it to Windows 7 so I could have a dual booting PC. The reason for this is I run a software company. I need a computer that I can test different programs on it for different operating systems, and not only that, I would also like to have an older computer that can handle some of my old video games that I have collected over the years that I no longer can play because they do not work with current operating systems. So in this video, we're going to be tearing this apart. I'm going to be taking the pieces out of it, cleaning them off, putting them back in, and upgrading some of them along the way. Well, without further ado, I hope you enjoy this breakdown and then this build back of the Gateway 4200 DX.